When it comes to choosing a spouse, women and men frequently hold radically different opinions. Every girl wants a man who meets her standards and gives her the sense that she is valuable, cherished, and appreciated. They desire a man who conforms to their ideal of the ideal spouse, whether that be by being kind to others, taking ownership of the chores at hand, or watching out for them and giving him a sense of security. This biological requirement must be satisfied for the relationship to survive. Having said that, there are qualities in a man that women find appealing. We'll talk about these in a moment. But first, realize that in relationships, you can't feign success until you achieve it. Most males attempt to present a false front to the woman in order to appear to be some sort of bad boy. She may fall for you the first couple of nights, but ultimately she will catch on. Make sure the advertising isn't deceptive whenever you try to position yourself in a relationship as some sort of product or salesman. Every now and then, both men and women would peddle white lies. These interactions are what you would term manipulative. They will eventually fall apart. It is inevitable. Why? Because they don't satisfy the trust component of the connection equation we just examined. The characteristics and behaviors of males that women find particularly alluring have been researched by scientists over time. Here are 7 of them, shall we? The first thing is a man's clothing. Your sense of fashion greatly influences whether you leave a good or bad impression on women. After spending the day in jeans and a t-shirt, dress up for an evening out. Naturally, depending on the circumstance, wearing the suit will garner you more favorable attention and respect. You can't expect to seem professional by showing up to the gym in a suit. You will come across as having mild mental impairment. However, dependent on the occasion, it is preferable to be a little bit overdressed than underdressed. Women are totally enamored with style and fashion. Remember that hypergamy includes your sense of style and fashion as well. The second is how you present yourself. Your appearance reflects your pride. Everyone will leave you alone if you come off as smelly, and you'll have trouble with ladies. You are making an effort by making an effort to smell great. People notice because it is so straightforward. If you put on a perfect cologne, you will be more likely to receive the respect you deserve. Along with having a beautiful haircut, brushing your teeth, and using quality skincare, the right smell will improve more than just your appearance. Simply said, it demonstrates that you value yourself as a man enough to take care of yourself. Third on the list is respect for women. It's a common fallacy in the red pill community that treating a woman poorly can help you get her respect or victory. The opposite is true and could not be more so. The women who the majority of these red pill coaches yearn after are actually broken from the inside out, which is why this is the case. They are handed off to different men, and their self-esteem is genuinely destroyed. But a good woman who is not broken on the inside and who will genuinely love you as a husband will always value a man who can make her feel cherished. Why? She's not there for a one-night stand like the other women, after all. She wants the same thing from you and is prepared to commit. Consider your mother, younger sibling, or a close family member. Would you not want them to have a man who loves them? Therefore, it goes without saying that you should be a calm, patient, and courteous gentleman around the actual women who are worth it. Keep your composure and try not to lose it readily when stressed. Fourth on the list are knowledge and the desire to listen. Women seem to be drawn to intelligent men. A wise man knows how to carry on a discussion, and listening demonstrates your tolerance and openness to new ideas. There are other situations when listening might be helpful, even if you are not interested in hearing about her office drama. All relationships are built on the premise that the man requires respect and the woman needs love, as we stated at the beginning of the film. One of the simplest ways to show a girl you care about her is to simply listen to her. 5. Girls appreciate it when you don't fear them. Most guys become reticent around women, and their legs start to act strangely, almost as if they are paralyzed by their attractiveness. In most situations, it's crucial to demonstrate that you're not at all scared by ladies. Not all ladies want you to admire their good looks and inner fortitude. Keep in mind that their beauty is a facade. When you start conversing with her casually, as you would with anyone, even the most gorgeous girl in the world will forget how stunning she is. If chatting to ladies or being yourself around them even causes you any anxiety, you'll probably back off and flee. At the first sign of trouble, resist the urge to flee. Remember, guys who defend themselves make women feel protected and secure. Around you, they want to feel secure and protected. They want to feel confident that you can deal with any scenario while remaining composed. So, when among women, don't display any signs of vulnerability. Even if you are unsure of yourself, never come off as needy or insecure. Gain some self-assurance and let your girl know she can count on you. Keep your shoulders and back relaxed, smile genuinely, and maintain a straight back. Speaking to a girl is considerably dissimilar from speaking to your lads. With ladies, be very carefree and playful. Keep your focus on the present, speak at a comfortable pace, and avoid rushing. This is how you regain self-control and stop allowing her attractiveness to frighten you. Sixth, a considerate person. Being taken care of is the attribute that girls value in a man the most. Everyone wants to be among kind individuals who will watch out for them in trying circumstances. The same is true for women. They must understand whether you value them and that you are not using them for sex, favors, status, or other materialistic purposes. You jeopardize the connection as soon as the woman perceives that she is only being utilized for her body. Women favor a man who can reassure them that she won't have to face her issues on her alone and that he will be there for her at all times. A man's capacity to be a good father is the standard by which all upright and feminine women evaluate him. It's crucial to be able to convey your concern in this situation. Women appreciate males who are eager to start a family and offer to be their future parents. To establish a human connection, listen to them. Give them your full attention and don't let your phone divert you. If you're already seeing a female, pay attention to her wants and needs. Encourage her, express interest in her interests, and let her know she's important to you. You don't have to become an open simp for her, but you should treat her with the same respect that you would want her to show you. A strong man is number 7. Strong men, both physically and emotionally, are adored by women. The male and female polarities are what determine everything. In contrast, the same thing repels. Most women are biologically drawn to physically powerful males. To be deserving of love and a wonderful relationship, you do not need to lift big weights, have chiseled muscles, or have the appearance of a Greek god. Simply put, it means to not be a coward. If you can't defend a lady physically against other males, you are no good for her. The knowledge that you are physically capable of taking care of yourself also gives women a sense of security. In actuality, a lot depends on physical prowess during sex. Consider the most extreme dreams that women have. All of these boil down to issues like controlling the beast, managing his power, etc. In addition to physical strength, emotional and mental toughness are important, particularly in the early stages of dating. Women can see that you are strong because you would not give in to pressure. How can she expect you to care for her if you can't control yourself? When you don't let your emotions rule your behavior, you exhibit the mental fortitude that is a key component of masculinity and is appealing to women. It implies that you would resist being readily controlled or manipulated by others.